today we're gonna film what we ate. So for breakfast, I'm gonna eat Greek yogurt. It's the strawberry flavor. I'm gonna eat a banana, and then I'm gonna eat this breakfast bar. It's like blueberry oatmeal. I think I might put some of the granola into my yogurt, and then just bring up some coffee. My coffee's fair trade if anyone cared, and it's recyclable.
I forgot to film what I ate for breakfast, but no big deal. It's really easy. Dave made it. Just, yeah, Dave's the man. Ooh. Just some scrambled eggs. Really wasn't a fan of eggs until recently, but they were good. Just had some cheese and, you know, gotta load up on the chocolate milk because workout later and gotta have that protein.
She had like 5 cups.
That's it for today. See you at lunch.
So today I'm just gonna have this black coffee that I made with my Keurig thing, and then this banana, which is like perfectly right. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna have. I have like an early lunch today, so a small breakfast is fine. Plus I'm not like a big breakfast person to begin with. So yeah, catch you at lunch.
Alright, hey guys, so I just had a workout. So last time I talked to you was earlier in the morning. So I haven't eaten anything since, and it's around, not that, 2 o'clock, 2:30. But yeah, this time I'm actually going to show you my food. So the only thing I actually had is, well, for track workouts, I usually take these little gummies. They're like gels. It just gives you a little energy and doesn't have any caffeine in it, and it's like about 100 calories. But yeah, I really like them. So they're called GU, so goo, I call them. Well, they're good. But honestly, I'm really not that hungry. I kind of feel nauseous from that workout, not gonna lie. So I think I'm just gonna have a banana. Oh, okay, let's hope these are right. Ew, that one looks kind of gross. We're gonna have this one, a banana, and then I'm just gonna cut that up, and I'm gonna have it with some Justin's peanut butter, but this one has the honey in it, which I really like because I usually like would get regular peanut butter and then put honey in it, but this is better. So yeah, I'm just gonna have that, and then I don't really think I want anything else. I'm not hungry. Let's see. I don't think so. I'll probably just have some water. Water it is. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Just take a look. Yep. I don't really have much food. So it's just some peanut butter, banana, and some water. And then if I'm really hungry afterwards, and be a little bit, I'll have some Coke, boom chicka pop. But I'll check back in with you then. So just an update. We are having a healthy and happy day.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't ever lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push.
Okay, so yeah, this is my final lunch product. We have 2 eggs with spinach, which I cooked for you guys. And I put cut up grape tomatoes and feta cheese on top. I'll probably add some more red pepper flakes because it looks a little bland. And then I have some raspberries as like a sweet side. Looking pretty dang healthy so far today. But I'll probably eat some chocolate like around 1. Like it's 12 right now, I'm sure. Before I go to my next class, I'll have some chocolate. So yeah, that's it.
Hey guys, so I just filmed my dinner because I was in the dining hall and it was a little awkward. But I had pork, I had roasted vegetables, there was like eggplant and squash, and rice, and it was really good.
There's just that one noodle.
Hey guys, so it's about 9 o'clock and I forgot again to film my food. So I went to the dining hall. What I had the gluten-free chicken because we have a gluten-free section since I have celiacs. Really, it's not very good. So I had the chicken, and then I had just some regular cucumbers with some ranch, and then I had a little bit of french fries. So that was my meal. Nothing crazy. But I think I'm gonna head and get a snack right now because I'm about to watch a new show on Netflix. So I'll keep you tuned.
This is what I'm having for dinner. One of my favorites from Trader Joe's. There's 4 servings in here, and I usually eat like half, so it ends up not being that bad for you. And I add extra frozen veggies to make it really delicious and healthy. Yay!
What are you doing?
Yum!
Oh my gosh, this is for your vlog?
Yeah.
You go, girl.
Good. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My brilliant, I'm mad. A brilliant, her man, no. Everybody got the same sweat, no. All the way that I chat, no. Stacking my bands all the way to the top, all the way to my bed falling, no. Every time that you